Hello, my name is Doc. This is Taryn, and we're going to be talking about water life cycle, and we're going to do an experiment about that. So for this experiment, we will need boiling water, some ice, salt, a bowl, some dirt, and a big bowl so we could put everything on this bowl. So first, we'll need boiling water. Be careful. You can take that's good. And you can take a help from a parent or a trusted person. Okay, when we pour the boiling water, we'll need to add the dirt. You gotta try to be really careful. Add all the dirt here. So, yeah. So we have to try to push the dirt like there, so yeah. And then we will add salt.
So you might be confused why we are adding dirt and salt. So the reason to this is using dirt for the ocean floor, and after that we're using salt because there's salt in the ocean. And we're here to put that so we can prove that the water cycle can purify the water and make it fresh again. So the next thing we're going to need is putting this bowl inside.
So yeah, put the bowl inside.
Next we're going to need to put a wrapper on top of it.
Seal it really tight so the air does not come out. We have to catch the air.
So the air basically has to stick on top of the. So you have to press this very tightly so the air doesn't come out, and we're putting this wrapper so the water vapor can condensate. So the next thing we're going to need is basically ice. Now we're going to add this because wherever the cloud location is, it's high up into the air, and that's mostly where the atmosphere is. This is going to represent the temperature there. So now we'll just wait for 20 minutes and see if the water condenses on the wrap. So you can a little bit see that the water droplets are actually condensing on the side of the bowl.
5 minutes and the water is condensed on the plastic paper. You can see
more than 20 minutes, and you can see a lot of the water droplets here have condensed and stuck to the wrap. Some also precipitated along with it. So we're gonna have to open this and see if any precipitation happened in the small bowl.
Okay, careful and real slowly.
You don't want the water spilling out and stuff, so yeah. Slowly. Okay. So you can see that all the water droplets have stuck to it, and if you look at our ball, would you see that?
Yes,
there's some water in there.
Like a little bit.
Just a little bit. I'm moving. See how the condensed water is dropping? This is called precipitation. There was all dirt, food coloring, and salt in the water before. Now that the water cycle had done its job, when we look back at the bowl, there's no dirt, salt, or anything there. It's basically just regular, fresh, clean water. So this can prove that the water cycle can purify things. And that's a really cool thing. So that's the experiment we have. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.